ये चीज हम जो इनकी मोहब्बत की मिसाल नहीं दी जाती, और इनके प्यार को याद किया जाता है। शायद इसलिए कि इतिहास ने इसे आखिरी नहीं दिया, जबकि सच ये है कि जो लोग एक साथ मिलकर जश्न इतिहास बनाया है।
From South, yeah? So presenting you, none other than Spicy Will!
That performance kind of brought me out the whole royal, you know, the Mowgli anthem was set on stage like that.
Wait a minute, मैंने पीछे भी किसी को देखा
हम लोग भी एक तरह से लेट हो गए थे आने के इसीलिए।
नहीं बट मैंने अभी किसी को पीछे देखा एंड
इसको देखा
कोई तो था जिससे आप बहुत सारी बातें कर सकते हो और
अच्छा मैंने गेस कर कि anybody who is following the Taste of India festival page on Instagram, if you were following that, then आपको पता है कि आज कुछ स्पेशल गेस्ट हमारे साथ आने वाले हैं स्टेज पे।
अभी मैंने जिनको देखा अगर ये उनको देख लेंगे
तो क्या होगा अब तक?
बहुत ज़्यादा
कहते हैं वो एकदम से तड़का लग जाएगा ऑडियंस। दैट्स ट्रू
एंड ये बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन भी पूछ सकते हैं उनको,
ये भी पूछते थे और इनके साथ तस्वीर खिंचाने का मौका भी मिल सकता है if they are in the right position, the right.
Right, and रेसिपी से याद आया, can we call our next performers?
I think speaking of spicy and tadka, I think next performance ready honi chahiye, and of course we are celebrating Director's Choice, and this one is gonna come back with the movie RRR, and I guess you know the dhamaka is gonna happen. So without further ado, please welcome your next performance, Spicy Will.
And a big shout out to my most favorite director, S.S. Rajamouli sir.
ऐसा होगा ऐसे नहीं चलेगा. You know it's gonna be a धमाकेदार performance one more time. Let the fans make some noise for Spicy Will. There you guys are. You guys are awake. I like that. अभी नहीं है तो performance के बाद they wake up. I feel like you gotta wake them up. I like that. All right, the dancers are taking their position on stage. We're gonna start the music on my count at 3, 2, 1. Hit it.
In every story, there's a girl.
And around her, there's always double trouble.
But you know what? The troublemakers haven't met her yet.
And they don't even know yet that they want to.
So today, let's see who wins, who loses, and who's actually ready.
Flattered, always. She was looking at me.
At you? भाई शीशे में देखा है कभी?
I have. That's why I'm talking.
She was clearly looking at you, bro.
So impressed.
Are you going to back off? Or should I lead the way? Okay, let's get started. Trying to impress her was a different story. Now, it's personal. It's you and me.
Okay, as you wish.
Not salsa, not flamenco, my brother. Do you know? Not to.
పొలం కట్టు దుమ్ములోన పొట్ల చిట్ట దూకినట్టు పొలేరమ్మ జాతరలో పొత్తరాజు ఊగినట్టు ఎర్ర జొన్న రొట్టెలోన విరవ దుక్కు కలిగినట్టు నా పాట చూడు నా పాట చూడు నా పాట చూడు నాటు 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 మీద నాటు 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 కూర నాటు 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 పచ్చి మిరపలాగా నాటు 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 పిచ్చి కత్తిలాగా వెర్రి నాటు
Right? I don't think our dance was that bad. Okay, well, let's see what's the dance. Let's go. Ready?